Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna talk about LG W30 and LG W10. Let's start. First I'm gonna talk about the rear camera. W30 has a triple rear camera, 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and W10 has a dual rear camera, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Now talk about the guys processor and chipset. W30 has a 2 GHz octa-core processor, and other side W10 has also same 2 GHz octa-core processor, and you will get a same chipset Helio P22 chipset. Now we talk about the front camera. W30 has a 16 megapixel front camera and W10 has a 8 megapixel front camera. Next display, W30 has a 6.2 inch SD plus IPS LCD display and W10 has a 6.1 inch SD plus IPS LCD display. Now guys, talk about the RAM and storage. W10 and W30 has the same RAM and storage, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. Now guys, we talk about some other specification. Both smartphones have Android 9 and dual SIM option, and talk about the GPU. It's also same PowerVR Z 8320, and both smartphones have fingerprint sensor on the back, and you will get a 4000 mAh battery in both smartphones. And talk about the price, it little difference in price. W30 average price is 10,000 Indian rupees and 115 US dollar, and W10 average price is 9,000 Indian rupees and 130 US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.